We live in an age when unnecessary things are our only necessities. A man who does not think for himself does not think at all. Some cause happiness wherever they go, others, whenever they go. Selfishness is not living as one wishes to live. It is asking others to live as one wishes to live. There is only one thing in life worse than being talked about, and that is not being talked about. To love oneself is the beginning of lifelong romance. Man is least himself when he talks in his own person. Give him a mask, and he will tell the truth. Experience is simply the name we give our mistakes. There are only two tragedies in life. One is not getting what one wants, and the other is getting it. When I was young, I thought that money was the most important thing in life. Now that I am old, I know that it is.